Hi guys, we are somewhat quite, made up. Wednesday, and I'm going out for lunch with my friends.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay.
Dito para kami magla-lunch guys. Stop. Nakapunta na rin ako dito. Habang hinihintay natin si Terry mag-outfit of the day tayo. How about that? So that's our outfit for today. Para akong tanga dito guys. Nag-outfit of the day while waiting for Terry. Hinihintay ko na lang sila si Terry, si Judy, and other Filipino friends. Meron na rin pala ditong Wagamama. Dito, nakapunta na ako. Pero dito, hindi pa. Sa Winstop. First time ko dito. Maingay dito mag-vlog. Terry! Terry! Ba, very calm siya, oh. Ganito mga ginagawa ko, Ter, kung saan-saan ko na lang, saan-saan pinatong yung mga mobile. Kaya, ayan. Tapos na, tumataas din yan. Di ba si Judy mahilig magkalo? Oo. Yung kalo niya, birahan ko lang niya. Tapos siya mobile, tapos maglakad-lakad. Kaya pala, anak ko.
Kasi bilin mo ko na.
Oh, yes. So, bisag asa lang nila ko, ipatong ma-adjust man ito. Yeah, I know. I have to mute in this part of this video because my God, the music is insane. It's far too loud. So, YouTube not going to be happy about the loud music. Here we're just sitting and then waiting for the rest of the girls to come. Mag-umpisa na kami mag-bingo. 140, 123, 105, 126. Thank you.
Can I have one glass please? A small one?
Wow, ang dami.
Ito dalawa sa iyo. Magkano binayaran mo? Thank you.
19 kasi na-order.
May harap ka pala sa siya. Magbigay na lang tayo ng...
Hindi makita si Yuri. Ayan, nakita na. Okay na yun. Kaso mas mahal. John, ayan. Sa vlog ko lang to pakitaan ko. Kain tayo guys. Tsura ng lagan guys. Kala nyo lang mainit, no? Tirik ng araw, oh. Ang lakas ng loob ko, oh. Giniginaw po ako. Ang hirap mag-vlog dito sa Scotland. Lahat nakatingin sa'yo. Parang hindi pa nila alam yung vlogging. Hayaan ko na lang sila kasi hindi ko naman sila kilala. I was out lunch. Hindi ako nag-vlog kasi maraming music. Medyo konti lang yung na-vlog ko. Kasi super lakas ng music. Kumain kami dun sa Wingstop. I don't think I like it there. Hindi ko siya type. So, huwag kayong maingay na hindi ko type. Basta hindi ko na-enjoy. Yun lang. This is what happened. Nagmamadaling umuwi. Nagkanda tapon-tapon yung mga spices ko. Oh, hello guys. Just come home from brunch. And then I come home prepared for dinner tonight. So this is my very own creamy potato with Parmesan cheese. Yeah. Pre-boiled, just probably 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes pre-boiled. And then I add some cardamom, bay leaves, and allspice while I'm boiling the potato. And then, of course, I put salt, black pepper. Now here is I put Italian herbs. There we go. Italian herbs and cayenne pepper and double cream and Parmesan cheese on top of it. This is my son and my husband dinner tonight. And then I already prepared this last night. This is steak pie, but my own steak pie. I don't follow the traditional steak pie here in Scotland. I've made my very own steak pie, my own ingredients, and it seems my family is really loving it. I've been doing this for years and no complaints from them. So that's that. Also, I need to brush the egg wash later on. Anyway, I did not plan to continue vlogging because I was out early and I cannot really vlog because see, when you're out about in the town, music is quite loud. So we had lunch at Wingstop. It's new to me. I didn't like it there, guys. I didn't think so. I just ate a little, so I thought I take this one just in case my son not enjoying that steak pie. So meron siyang option. Ako kapag ayaw niya yung steak pie. Although I have another option, gonna cook rice and mince. Ang ingay ng oven ko, guys. Lipat tayo. So guys, I went out obviously, and then I popped into Sarah. I did not plan to pop in, and I see something, and then I like it, and then I bought it. Of course. Anyway, it's really hard for me to find, or it's really hard for me to love when it's come to trousers because I am a dressy person. I prefer dress. Trousers seems to be not look good in me. This one is trousers from Sarah. My prepared trousers is like, it's like a culotte. Yeah, that's my prepared trousers. Because I don't have the hips. I got small bum. You know, this bum is never gonna grow, especially now that I am 48, almost 49. So, this kind of trousers, ito yung nababagay sa katawan ko. Ibaba nga natin tong camera na to. Yan. Yan. I tell you what, I'm going to flip the camera so you can see the full length of these trousers. Here's the trousers. It has pocket, which is bonus. Oh my God. And another thing, guys, it's really, really hard to find a trousers fit you perfectly on your height. I'm 5'2", and you know, trousers in Sarah is like giant. But this one, perfect length. See what I mean, guys? This is the trousers. Ito yung mga trousers na gusto ko. And here it is. Oh my God. Now let's try some shoes on. Let's try some shoes. This one from Kate Spade. Matagal na sa akin to. Not too high. So we'll see. Oh yeah. Nag-match siya ha. Yung pula. I didn't don't know that one. Yung kulay niya pala guys, para siyang nude undertone, ba may pagka-pinkish. So hindi siya yung malaswang nude na color. It's just neutral. And look how it goes with red as well. Surprisingly. I think we need to pair a bag. Let's pair with this bag. Oh yes. I love it. Love it. Yeah. It's a keeper. Ito yung madalas na hinahanap ko when it's come to trousers. Pero guys, alam nyo naman dito, trousers hairs is like giant. My height is 5'2.5". Probably 5'2" na lang kasi nga umuurong tayo habang tumatanda. So let's try. Tayo lang naman dito. Ayan. I'm back. I always pick up extra small by the way. Oh my god. Look at the waistline. Snatch. Yung mga trousers na gusto ko, yung parang ano ba, baggy or culottes. Not so baggy na mawala naman yung figure natin, no? Yung parang snatch on the waist. I wish, no, ayoko nang mag-wish. No more wish. I'm wishing there's another color of this one. No, no,